everyone, welcome back to Coding Tricks. In this session we are going to see about Python regular expressions. Where to use regular expressions, how to use regular expressions, what is the purpose of the regular expressions we are going to see. See, regular expressions is it is a combination of patterns, searchable patterns, right? So we will have different patterns, we will use the patterns in the regular expressions. So if you want to search anything, you will go for regular expressions. So let us get into that. So it is a sequence of characters which forms a search pattern. So this is a built-in package called RE. So in this package it is available in regular expressions. So like the other modules, we will also import this module with import RE. Import RE. So how to use this? So if you want to start the searching starting with the word starting with the and ending with Spain, then you will go with this. So I will copy this and I will explain you. So here what I have given here is I am given a function called search. And with that, I have given the regular expression is starting with the and ending with Spain. So this kettle symbol or exponent symbol, this symbol is denoted that it is starting. Dollar symbol is denoted that ending. So this is the multiple. So in between, how many occurrences are there? It's not a problem. Star indicates that more occurrences, 0 or more occurrences. Okay, so all this you will see again. So here I have given this text equal to the rain in Spain. So something I have given the text and I'm searching that whether it is starting with the and ending with Spain. So if it is true, that means if the pattern is correct, then you will get it as yes, we found it, or else you will get it as oops, no text. So let us see the output. So here we will get it as yes, we found it because it is starting with the and ending with Spain. So let me give here welcome, like this. So see what is the output you are going to get. Oops, no text because it is not starting with the. So let me try with the comma here and I'm going to cut this. I'm going to write it here. So it is not ending with Spain. So see the output. Oops, no text because even if you are not writing this also, you will get, see the output. Oops, no text because it is a comma also, it is taking the character. So this is how you will find the text with the regular expression. You will search with the regular expressions. So functions, coming to the functions, we are having different functions like findall, search, split and sub. So just now we have used the search function here, right? So it will search all the text and then it will give you the output. Find all means it will find all. It will find all the characters and it will return the matches which it is found. Splitting means it will split where the white spaces or anything. If you want to split with commas or anything, it will split. Whereas sub, so sub is like replaces one or more matches with a string. It will replace with one or more matches. So I will give you these examples now. So coming to the meta characters. So what is this meta characters? First meta character is square bracket. So in the square bracket you will write like A to M or 0 to 9. Like that you will represent. That means whatever you want to search. So if we are giving here like A to M, then it will search whatever the characters between A to M and it will return the characters. So I will give you one example here. So it will search, it will find all whatever it is there in this A to M. it will return the characters between A and M. So these are the characters between A and M. H, E, A, I. So like this it will return. So next thing is these are the special characters. Like if you are giving backslash D, that means it will give it is a special sequence of characters. If you are having the numbers, then it will return like 0 to 9 numbers, then we can use D. Any characters like except new line characters, we can use this like HTML&CSS like that. If you want to find the text between HE and O, so you will see this example here. So I want to give here as HEO. So that means starting with HE and ending with O. In the between it doesn't matter. So see here, I want to give HELLO, hello, and in between I want to give here HELLO, and I want to give here HENNO like that. So it doesn't matter between what it is having. So it only checks starting HE and ending is O. So see here, hello. You got it as like this. So it will find all the characters with this. So the next one is this, we know it is starting symbol, starts with. This we know it ends with. Star is 0 or 1, 0 or more occurrences. Just now we have seen one example. And plus is 1 or more occurrences. So what is the difference between star and plus is? Star will return if there is 0 occurrences also, whereas plus will return if it is 1 or more occurrences. Then coming to the flower braces, if you are having the exactly specified number of occurrences, then you will go with flower braces. Coming to the pipe symbol or R symbol, what it will do is, if you want to find either false or stays, both doesn't matter. Like if it is in the text, if you are having false or it is having text, it will return. Coming to the open parentheses, you will capture and then group. So you will see the example for that. So let us see special sequences. Slash A. What is this slash A will return is, it will return the characters which is beginning with the string. Suppose for example I am giving here slash A the. So it will return what is starting with. Slash B. It will return the matches where the specified characters are at the beginning or at the end of the word. For example, here I have given R slash BAIN. So it will search whether it is starting or ending and then it will return. Whereas capital B returns a match where the specified character are present but not at the beginning or at the end of a word. So it will search like this. So if it is not in the beginning or not in the ending, then it will return. Slash D, just we have told you that it is numbers from 0 to 9. If it is finding from 0 to 9 numbers, then it will return. So slash capital D is opposite to that. If it does not find the digits, then it will return the match. So slash S is white space characters. If it is having any white space characters, well, then we will use slash S. Whereas capital S, if it does not having any white space characters, then you will use slash S. Whereas slash W is a combination of characters from A to Z and digits from 0 to 9 and underscore character. In that situation, you will use slash W. Whereas slash capital W, it is the opposite of this. So if we are not finding any words, then we can use slash W. Slash Z, it will return the specified string at the beginning of the string, like at the end of the string, sorry. Slash Z here, then in this situation it will return. So next is sets. So we can also give in the form of sets. So here I have given set ARN. That means it should find A or R or N. If it is finding anything in this, then it will return. Here I have given A to N. So between A to N, if it is finding any of the characters, then it will return. So starting with ARN, if the word is starting with ARN, then it will return. 0, 1, 2, 3, any of them, 0 or 1 or 2 or 3, any of them it is present, then it will return 0 to 9 here. Then 0 to 5 and 0 to 9, it is a two digits like 0, 0, 1, 59, 29, 39, 22, like that, the numbers. If it is having any numbers, between these numbers, then it will return. Here I have given A to Z and A to Z, that means lowercase or uppercase, it will return. So this plus is not having any special meaning, but it will return a match for any plus character in the string. That's it. So coming to the findall function, we have seen already the findall function. It will return whatever the AI is there here. Like for the rain you are having AI and for the Spain you are having AI. So it will return AIs. So in this example, if you are not having anything, so let me do this for you. So here in this, I'm not having Portugal in the text. So what it will return, you can see it will return simple list, empty list, like this. So the search function will search whatever it is having. So let us see this also. So this search function, so seeing here I have used /s. So we have studied what is /s, right? If it is having any white space characters, then we will get the white space characters. So the first white space character is located in the position number 3. This is what the 3, 0, 1, 2 and 3, right? So this is what third position. This is how you will get with the /s. So if you are using capital S, then you will get 0. That means it is already having the white space character, so it will not return anything. 0 it will return. So this is how you will find the text. Then coming to the split method, split function. What does the split function will do is it will split with the help of white spaces. Wherever you are having white spaces, then it will split. So let us see this. The comma rain comma in comma split. We can also give here with 1. That means only one word it will split. Remaining words it will merge and it will come. So like this. The rain in Spain. If you want 2 characters, then you can give here two words. Sorry. So the rain is splitted in Spain has come the same way. So this is what we will split. Then coming to the subfunction will replace with the whatever we are giving the words, it will replace. So this is about the subfunction. So it will replace the 9 in the white spaces. So I'm going to replace this. So here I have given /s. So it will replace with white spaces. The 9 rain in like this. So this is how you will replace the occurrences of the string. Next one is match object. So this match is also same like the search and findall and all these things. If you match, then it will print the values. So in this match you are having span and group. So span is nothing but it will return a tuple containing the start and then the position matches, and whereas a group is it returns a part of the string where there was match. If it is a match, then it will return. So here span, I am giving one example for span. So you can have a look. So here I am using x dot span. So what I am doing here is, see here, /b or that means starting with R or anything like /b/w plus I have given. So here you can see the output, what you will get. 12, 17. So it is here. That means starting with Spain and ending with S and ending with N. So here I have given here starting with yes. So this is what about the span method, span function. Whereas string function, you can observe the difference. string function, what it is doing, the string function x dot string. So you can have a look here. Same have given for the string function, and you will get the whole text starting with or anything. The rain is paid, so you will get all the things like this. So this is how the string and span function will work. So this is a function where group. So this will group where you are having capital S. So here I have given capital S. So you will group by that. Spade. You will get the value as spade. So this is how you will work out with the regular expressions. So you have seen group, span and all the things, right? So this is how you will work. So I hope you enjoyed this video for the regular expressions. So this regular expressions is useful in many cases, like when you want to, mainly in the Linux programming, it is very useful. Not only in the Linux, where you want to find the search patterns, you can use all these things. Even you can find the password validations also. So we will see the password validations. How can we do this password validations in our next session? So stay tuned. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.